Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome to the channel. Glad you're here. If you're not new, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Everybody, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and join the family. Okay, so number one, sorry I did not post on Saturday. The holidays and school got to me. So that's why this video is going up late. Number two, happy holidays, everyone. Number three, this video was recorded last year. It just never saw YouTube because I ran out of time. So, I'm just going off of what I remember. So, I absolutely have no idea what full cover tips these are. But I do know the Polygel that I'm using is no longer available on Amazon. So just get you a pinky toned Polygel. I do want to try the McCart brand Polygel. So I think that's going to be my next Polygel purchase that I'm going to try. I do know the reason why I chose to do Polygel was because these full cover tips were not the most sturdiest of tips. So the Polygel helped to give it a little bit more sturdiness. And also, if I'm not mistaken, I wanted to try, what is it, the lazy girl method. That's what I've heard it called on YouTube, like the lazy girl method or the Femi beauty method. I don't know, but I've seen videos on YouTube where people put on full cover tips using Polygel. And so I was like, hey, if it's gonna strengthen the full cover nail, by all means, let's kill two birds with one stone. So I do remember the nail did separate from the Polygel. I did not think to prime the full cover tip. So if you do decide to do this, please either like etch the inside of the full cover tip with like a e-file and like a sanding band, or you can do it with tip primer, or honestly I've done it with just regular primer and just rub the crap out of it. So that way it has like little grooves that it can stick to. So either one of those will work perfectly fine. I did not do that, so I think after like a week, maybe, if I'm not mistaken, I think the nail ended up separating from the Polygel. But off in the corner, I do have a dapping dish with alcohol in it, and I do believe it's 91% isopropyl alcohol. Honestly, y'all, we bought a lot of alcohol during COVID, so yeah, we have a lot of alcohol in the house. But I do think this is 91% isopropyl alcohol. And as you can see, I'm just putting just a little dollop just by the cuticle area, and then honestly I'm just spreading the rest of it out. You don't have to use a whole lot to spread the rest of it out. Just that little ball that's gonna like bubble up at the end because of, extra product. I just smoothed that throughout the whole inside of the nail, and that did actually give it a little bit more sturdiness. I will link in the top of the video the nails that's on my other hand. I think I did actually post that last year. So yeah, I did post that last year because I did not post that this year. But I will put that somewhere up above. And I do, off in the corner of the screen, I do have like a little flash cure lamp. So I flash cured it for like maybe 10 to 15 seconds just so the nail wouldn't move. And then once I finish applying the Polygel to all of the nails, then I go in with my big nail lamp and I do a full cure of 60 seconds. I do know I did that. I don't think there's anything extra. Shockingly, I did not shorten these nail tips, which during that time I was wholeheartedly a short nail girly. So the fact that I wore long nails was very shocking. Now that all the nails have been put on and fully cured, I did file shape and buff them off camera, which it was already a full cover nail tip. So I just mainly did filing around the cuticle area just to seal in the cuticle and make it better. And if I'm not mistaken, I also did like a little bit of filing around like the free edge of the nail just so the nail wouldn't lose its shape. Now I'm using my Saviland base coat gel polish just so the nail could be smooth, because I did also like buff over top of the nail so the gel polish could stick to it. Even though I didn't do it under the nails. Don't be like me. Do the buff underneath the nail if you're going to use Polygel. So now I am using my Saviland paint pot to do a French tip. Y'all, me and French tips have a hate relationship. I have not found a super easy way for me to do a French. Like, I think I just suck at Frenches. Then again, I don't really do them to get better at them, but it is what it is. I did find this brush in my stack of brushes that I have, and I was like, honestly, I had never used it until this video, and I had seen on YouTube, go figure, that this is a French tip brush. So I was like, oh, well, if this brush was meant to do French tips, maybe it'll make my French tips come out better. And honestly, it actually did. I just had to take a little bit of alcohol on I used my Polygel brush because it had like a rounded tip to it. So I did just have to go in with the little rounded brush, as you can see now, to just clean up the French tip just a little bit, because it wasn't as crisp as I wanted it. And then now I'm just using this brush to just smooth out the paint pot. When I was doing this nail design, I was just getting the hang of the paint pots, and I didn't realize that I needed to kind of sort of like dilute it a little bit with base coat. So I ended up figuring that out, and I put like a little bit in the lid, and then I diluted it with base coat in the lid, so that way I wouldn't be wasting product. But I flash cured the thumb for like 30 seconds. Well, actually, for probably about 15 seconds, just so I wouldn't mess up the French, because y'all, me and Frenches, like, I've tried the little A trick to do your French tips. Like, I've looked at so many videos and so many reels on how to do a good French tip and how to make French tips a little bit easier. But y'all, me and Frenches, we do not get along at all. Like, no, me and French, we just have a hate relationship. And here you'll see on this nail, I'm just trying to get it as crisp as I want to. And then y'all, Frenches are such a struggle for me. Just look at me struggle, gracious. Okay, 3 hours later, I finally got that French how I wanted it, and I flash cured it. Now I'm using the Macard, I think it's called Platinum Gel pots. But unfortunately, this is a product that they don't sell anymore. Like, y'all, when I tell you this gel polish is old, like, this gel polish is old, and as y'all can see, I'm nowhere near even done using this gel polish. Like, I very rarely even use it, and I have like 4 or 5 colors in it. I know I've had it for like at least a good 4 or 5 years. Like, this, me and this gel polish, we done been through some things, but I love it. It is so gorgeous. It is so festive. Look at that silver. Like, honestly, I could probably get away with just 1 coat, but 2 coats, oh, it is chef's kiss amazing. So I'm just going to do 2 coats of this platinum gel polish on my pointer nail, and I believe my ring fingernail, and I cured those for 60 seconds. Yeah, they are just so easy to use. I wish McCart, I think it was McCart, I wish they still sold these, but I have not been able to find them anywhere. But oh, this stuff, I put it on my pinky. Oh gracious, that's embarrassing. But these paint pots are just amazing. I guess there's no need for me to keep ranting and raving about them if y'all can't buy them. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Now that my festive pointer and pinky nail is done, I'm using, I don't know, it's like it's a red color. I don't know what it's actually called. I forgot, I'm so sorry. But it's again that Saviland paint pot, and I'm going to make little candy cane swirls on the French tips. Y'all know that it's actually not even candy cane, and I think about it. It's actually like a peppermint. So y'all know those peppermints that are, I think they're red and green. Like, they're predominantly red and white, and then they have like the green stripe on it. If you remember, you know. If I can find a picture of it, I'm going to insert the picture. But yeah, that's what I was going for my French tips, to make them all festive for the holidays. And I did cure these nails for 60 seconds once I finished.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Alrighty, so now that the Frenchies are almost done, I had red left over, so I decided to do this nail a full red color, and I did do 2 coats of this red, and I cured both coats for 60 seconds because I found out the hard way with these gel pots. If you do not fully cure the nail, it will wrinkle up and it will lift from the nail. So Yes, that was very disheartening to find out. But and then also I also learned don't do really thick layers. Like a little bit goes a long way. As y'all can see, I did that whole nail with just that little bit that was left on that little palette. So yeah, a little bit definitely goes a long way. I don't know if Saviland still sell these. I bought the gel paint pots on Amazon, like when I had started getting into nail art. So I will see if they still sell it on Amazon. If not, I won't be able to link it down below, but if they do, I will link it down below. And now is when I decided to add the green in, because I was just going to keep it, initially I was just going to keep it red and white, but I was like, you know what, I want to do green. So that's how the little candies came into play. And then I believe I just cured them for 30 seconds because it's only stripes, so it ain't that much gel polish. So I cured those for 60 seconds, and then it will be time for top coat.
So I'm offering a sample phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Alrighty, the top coat has been applied and cured for 60 seconds. And oh my goodness, look at these nails. They are so festive. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.